mini base arriving in Pisa, Italy.
Huh? What's the matter?
Oh my.
Did you two do this? Then who else made the mess? The two of you are the only ones here. How are we going to get this big bad mess cleaned up?
Superwings?
Hi, Sky. Is that a call coming in from the Superpets?
It sure is, Jet. They're calling us from the city of Pisa, in Italy.
Hi, Superwings. I'm Luca. The Superpets have made a big mess in our street. They've been playing in the garbage. Look.
Oh, no! Sorry about that, Luca. They sometimes get a bit too playful. We'll talk about it later.
Can I order some trash tongs and a dustpan?
You bet!
Thanks! See you soon!
Pisa is a beautiful old city in Italy. The most famous sight in town is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It's a bell tower built a long time ago.
Cool! I can't wait to see it!
Storm, prepare the package.
Okay! Powering up package printer! Trash tongs and a dustpan coming up! Package done! Loading up!
Thanks, Storm. Luca and I will get our street cleaned up pronto.
It will go even faster with the new Superwing I'm sending with you.
A new Superwing?
Yep. You can look forward to meeting him. He's keen to clean when he's on the scene. Superwings shine. He's the perfect pal for today's mission. Take your position, Jet.
Thank you. I hope the cleanup gear gets here soon. There's still lots of your mess to pick up.
Package delivery!
Yay! It's here!
I'm Jet, on time, every time.
And I'm Shine, here to help.
Welcome to Pisa. This is my mama.
Here's your package.
These will be perfect for picking up the garbage. The street will be clean in no time.
I I've got some great garbage gathering gear to help too.
If all of us pitch in, it'll go really fast.
Grande idea!
Grande idea?
That means great idea in Italian, the language we speak. Luca, with you all on the job out here, I'll get back to things inside. Stay with the Superwings.
Yes, Mama. Now,
Let's get cleaning! We'll make sure it works. Our cleanup gang, sweep, swoosh, pluck, chuck, clang. When there's a street that's filled with junk, grab, spear, pluck, chuck, dump. A cleaning team can make it fun. Pluck, chuck, it's all done.
great work!
Yeah! Yes!
Huh?
Oh, those cats are the ones who messed up the street.
They think the trash is toys.
They're going to keep spilling it as fast as we pick it up. Huh?
Hey, cats like playing in towers. Then let's use it all to build a cat tower for them. That'll keep them out of trouble.
Grande idea! It's time to shine! Super Wings and Superpet combine! Power glove, power vacuum, deploy!
Wow! Cat tower builders, go!
Looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, only not leaning.
The cats love it so much. Whoa, what's going on?
Every cat in town is coming. The cats must have called all their friends.
Wow, they're too heavy.
It's falling!
Grab it!
Now, the one thing we have to see here, Golden Pet, is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Huh? Yeah, that must be it. It's a tower, and it's leaning. Come on! Huh? Yeah. Yep, this is the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa, all right. Whoa!
The cat tower!
Ow! Whoa! It's leaning right at me! Whoa! Ah! Hey! I can't see! Whoa! Get off! Get! Whoa! I gotta get unstuck. Golden Booster, activate!
Oh no! It's rolling away!
Luca, come on! We've got to save them.
Okay. After that tower!
Let's go!
Whoa! Whoa!
Stop!
Watch out!
Somebody please help me!
Wow!
Sorry.
All good.
It's gonna crash into the tower! Gotta stop it! Jet super speed! Whoa! Gotcha! Stop it!
I'm on it. Leave it to me to clean this up. Park trash dustpan, action! There you go.
Huh? Golden Boy, what are you doing here?
I was looking for the Leaning Tower of Pisa to show to Golden Pet.
You mean that one?
Oh, found it.
We're gonna have to think of a safer way to keep these kitties happy.
I know.
Rebuilding the cat tower into a cat coliseum was a grande idea.
It looks like our work here is done. Hey, the mini base. See you someplace soon, Superpets. Time to roll. Bye. Superwings and Superpets, we deliver.
Here, subscribe to our channel.